Welcome to the Precision Machining Technology program at Berks Career and Technology Center. Here we start with a piece of raw material and turn it into a finished product according to the drawing. We use machine tools like vertical milling machines to cut the metal to match those specifications on the drawing. Another machine we use frequently is a lathe to cut the raw material down to the required sizes. As we cut those sizes, we have to measure to ensure we meet print specs, so we use precision measuring instruments like micrometers that can measure down to the 1,000th part of an inch. Skills like this can be put to use in different manufacturing careers like aerospace, automotive, motorsports, or medical device manufacture. For more information on precision machining technology and where it can take you, visit our website at www.berkscareer.com.